What's up guys, today we have changed of plans. We are going to revive the AE engine. Change big of plans because I need to do the wiring of this Jeep. So that means that I need a car to run. This is my boss. Because I need the Jeep to do the wiring soon, real soon, and oil pan change. Oil some change. That means that I need a car to run, and my boy is gonna run. I'm not sure when, but we're gonna take out the engine today. Pretty simple already because why? Because head is already taken out. Wow, lo mosquito eh. Wanna kill this mosquito off. Oh, one more guy. So the head is already off. It's pretty easy to take out. Gearbox is already off. All I gotta do is take out this mount bolt, and there's another mount bolt, and the engine is ready to come out. 2 bolts, but the oil has to come out. Let's get to it. Yeah, taking out AE86 engine. Try one. Yo, yes, successful uploading the 7A block thanks to ZZ Auto Garage. Time to head to the garage workshop Elvin. Full ka parking? Full. Nasi? Minum. Oh, minum. Lock out bunyi. Yeah. We have arrived in Elvin's workshop. That's where I'm gonna be doing easy parking his car. Elvin's super huge intercooler. Woo! Tell you this workshop there's like 3 workshops side by side together, I'm telling you, and it's full SL. Steven's workshop got 10 stipend. There's no parking, so I have to park somewhere else. Chay, bikin apa Chay?
Oh, pindah wayar.
Pindah wayar?
Kunci ni grounding semua.
Apa kamu bikin bawah pokok ni Chay?
Tadi dia ada tempat bang.
Romantiknya.
Cibentar
Guys, jangan lupa don't forget to subscribe. Apa nama YouTube teh?
Saga Honi.
Ferguson Saga. Yeah, cake color.
Ada video kan?
Selamat sampai.
Ya.
Cameraman terangguk-angguk dah.
Don't do this at home, guys. Muscle sakit.
Masker.
We have arrived at Elvin's workshop. Aduh.
Tapi header dah mau macun.
Yeah, 1JZ. 1JJ.
Klap.
Barai.
Klap.
Yang sembelih buaya lah. Buaya besar.
Overhaul lah, Bin.
Bos.
Overhaul lah. On the way. JZ specialist kan lah tu. JZ on the way convert into apa sih karabin? Sekarang model apa tuh? Lupa aku. TA47.
Dia mesti stiker.
Oh ya. TA47 engine conversion 3T for sale. Bin kah? Anyone interested? 20 ml bin for me for 3P because 4 piston boring sudah. Woohoo! So this is Elvin's workshop. Easy opening on a flywheel to make it lighter. Advisable to open the flywheel. Yeah. Still shiny though. Taking apart the 7A block. It's easy taking apart my 7A block. That's the conclusion of video today. Because I'm out of battery already. My muscle also out of battery. Muscle to out of battery is easy.
Tiada.
Advisable to use engine hoist next time. Don't carry with your hand. But for those budget boy way, can do it. Chai. So I'll see you guys in the next video.